What up guys, welcome to the office for the first time ever I think. Today we're going to be designing, making, and hanging a gate for our new goat enclosure. Thanks for joining. That's it for the design plan. You can find these on my Instagram page. But right now, we're going to go get some lumber, so let's go get it. And that's it for this video. We went from designing to making to installing this very simple gate. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are interested in the plans for it, go to my Instagram page. You'll find a page up there where I have this and other pictures of the build, and I hope you guys benefited from this. If you did, please make sure to like it and share it with your friends if you have anybody that might be interested in this or any of my other videos. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. We're growing very steadily, so I'm very excited about that. So again, until next time, bye.